Oh, yeah, today we're gonna be unboxing that WlMouse, the Huan IEM. We're gonna listen to that Huan, their IEM, that Huan from WlMouse. FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Huan IEM in-ear monitor from WlMouse. How about it? Let's get to it. Beautiful box. Little anime girl. So we got 1DD 8 BA hybrid IBM. We got the sound curve there. Kind of cool. Kind of neat. Put together in a weird fashion in layers, whatever. It's pretty normal. Okay, let's get it out of this box. There's a slidey boy here. It's a slidey boy. Let's get it right side up. Yeah, okay. Oh, don't want to reveal anything there. Okay, got that. I don't think we'll need the knife, so we'll get that out of here. We'll put the Huan Nico right next to it. Wow. Wow. Get the cat up there. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Let's open it up, shall we? All right, we got a boxy boy. Am I like, ooh, there we go. Okay, that's really awkward. There we go. We got, oh, and the mouse goes through. Field goal, good. Okay. We got a postcard? No. Oh, the correct way, the wrong way. Like a song called The Wrong Way. What is this? Is the case for it? Wow, okay, we got multiple cords. Nice. Okay, that's really neat. Okay, so we got multiple cords. That's really high quality. Holy mallet. Wow. That's like a $30 or $40 headphone cord. Wow. That's is there a mic on it? Is this a mic? A fucking microphone on that. Cool. Okay. Nice. Nice chords. Let's take out the main entree here. Covered with like a, oh my god, those are like in there. Holy shit. Okay. Ooh, man. Okay. Peel off a little plastic there. That. Oh man, that's prismatic as shit. Wow. Pretty neat. Look at that. Oh man. Looking good. Yeah, we'll get that back. Oh man. Okay, where's the tips? I need the tip. Oh, give me the tip. Just give me, whoa, all the tip. Wow. So it can go in my ears or whatever. Let's not lose that. Let's not lose that piece of foam. The whole smorgasbord right there. We got we got little goodies hidden everywhere here. What the fuck? This one's like taped in. Okay. All right, we got an adapter. It is a 4-pin to 3.55. I'm not going to open that. We're just going to leave that in there. We have tips. And we have USB-C to USB-A adapter. These we need out. I think I have yeah. We'll get that adapter out too. And I think, oh man, you know what? Let's get all the adapters out because I'm going to test it with my tube amp as well. Here's all the tips. Got all the tips. Look at this. Wow, what an arrangement. Look at that. They're like, oh, that's good looking, man. Cool. It's the unboxing of the Huan IEM. Good shit. Hey, am I saying that right? Huan. Chinese, I think. I don't know. WlMouse for you. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next one.